Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to evaluate 6th root of 17 minus 80 over square root 13 plus 3. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e first. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator with square root 13 minus 3. Square root 13 minus 3. Now denominator will give us a plus b times a minus b. So we can write square root 13 square minus 3 square. So this will become 13 minus 9, or we can write 4. So denominator is 4. I will write e equal to 17 minus 80 times square root 13 minus 3 over 4, and whole power is 1 over 6. Now we can cancel 80, so it will be 20. I can write 17 minus 20 square root 13 plus 60, and whole power will be 1 over 6. 17 plus 60 will write 77 minus 20 square root 13, and whole power is 1 over 6. Now I can write 1 over 6 as 3 minus 2 is 1, and denominator 6 is 3 times 2. Now I can write 3 over 3 times 2 minus 2 over 3 times 2. So 3 will be over, 2 will be over. We will get 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So I can write E equal to 77 minus 20 square root 13, and power 1 by 6 will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now a power b minus c, this will be equal to a power b over a power c. So I can write expression E will be 77 minus 20 square root 13 whole power half, we can consider square root, over 77 minus 20 square root 13 whole power 1 over 3. So I can write here cube root. Now we have to evaluate square root and cube root separately. So let's begin with numerator. So I can write square root of 77 minus 20 square root 13. Let's say split 77 as 52 plus 25 minus 20 square root 13. Now we can write 52 as 2 square root 13 whole square. 4 times 13 is 52 plus 5 whole square minus 20 square root 13. We can write 2 times 2 root 13 times 5 square root. Now this radicand is one perfect square. It is 2 square root 13 minus 5 whole square. So I can write square root of 2 square root 13 minus 5 whole square. So square root and square will be over. So our numerator will become 2 square root 13 minus 5. Now we will consider cube root of 77 minus 20 square root 13. Let us consider this is x. Now I will take cubing both sides. So I can write x cube will be equal to 77 minus 20 square root 13. If we'll see the approximate value of x cube, it is approximately 4.88. So I can say x cube is lying in the interval 1 and 8. So x will be in the interval 1 and 2. Now I will assume y cube, which will be conjugate of x cube. So 77 plus 20 is square root 13. Let's add both. So x cube plus y cube will be 154. I will call this is equation 1. Now I will multiply these two. So I can write x cube times y cube equal to 77 minus 20 square root 13 times 77 plus 20 square root 13. So we can write equal to 77 square minus 20 square root 13 whole square. Let us write here. So LHS will be xy whole cube. Now 77 square. This value will be 5929 minus 20 square root 13 whole square will be 5200. If I will take this difference, then this will come out 729, which is cube of 9. Left hand side we have xy whole cube. Right hand side we have 9 whole cube. Once we will take cube root both sides for real xy, we will get xy will be equal to 9. I will call this is our equation number 2. Equation 1 was x cube plus y cube equal to 154. Now I will consider x plus y equal to t, and I will use one algebraic identity, x plus y whole cube. This is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So from equation 1, we will write 154 here. From equation 2, we will write 9 here. And from our substitution, this will be t cube. And here I will write t. So our equation will come out t cube equal to 154 plus 3 times 9, 27 t. Remember t is x plus y. Let's solve this cubic equation. Take all the terms to one side first. So I can write t cube minus 27t minus 154 equal to 0. Now I will find factors of 154. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 7, plus minus 11, and so on. Leading coefficient is 1, so we'll write only plus minus 1. If I will plug in t equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 minus 27 minus 154. No, it is not. If I will plug in t equal to 2, 8 minus 54 minus 154. Again, it won't. Now t equal to 7. 7 cube is 343 minus 27 times 7. This value will be equal to 189 minus 154. So yes, this is true. 343 minus 343 equal to 0. So we'll say t equal to 7 is our base solution. Now I can consider t minus 7 as factor of this cubic equation and I can divide. So we will get factor, the quadratic one, t square plus 70 plus 22 equal to 0. So from here I can conclude either t minus 7 will be equal to 0 or t equal to 7, and t was our substitution x plus y. So x plus y equal to 7. Now I will consider this quadratic t square plus 70 plus 22 equal to 0. Let's check discriminant only. So I will write delta b square minus 4ac. So 7 square minus 4 times 1 times 22. So it is 49 minus 88. Discriminant is coming out negative. It will generate complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So x plus y equal to 7. So x plus y equal to 7, and our second equation was xy equal to 9. Now from this equation, I can write y will be equal to 9 over x, and let's apply here. So I can write x plus 9 over x equal to 7. Multiply both sides by x. Of course, x is non-zero. So I will write x square plus 9 equal to 7x, or x square minus 7x plus 9 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. So I will write here x equal to minus b. So 7 plus minus square root of b square minus 7 square 49 minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times 9, 36 over 2 times a, so 2 times 1. 7 plus minus is square root 13 over 2. So we have two values. Let us write 7 plus root 13 over 2 and 7 minus root 13 over 2. Now if I will find the approximate value, then 7 plus root 13 over 2 approximately 5.3. And approximate value of 7 minus square root 13 over 2, approximately it is 1.76. Now condition on x was x must lie in the interval 1 and 2. So this solution we are going to accept, and this will be rejected. So our denominator will be 7 minus square root 13 over 2. This is our denominator. Now we have to find expression. So let me write here expression e equal to square root 77 minus 20 square root 13 over cube root 77 minus 20 square root 13. So I can write numerator was 2 square root 13 minus 5 over denominator is cube root, which we calculated, 7 minus square root 13 over 2. We can write 2 times 2 square root 13 minus 5 over 7 minus square root 13. Expression e equal to 2 times 2 square root 13 minus 5 over 7 minus square root 13. Let's rationalize again. So I will multiply 7 plus square root 13 in the numerator and denominator. So denominator will give us 7 square minus root 13 whole square. And this numerator we will take product. So let me write 2 times 2 square root 13 minus 5 times 7 plus root 13. Let me write here e equal to 2 times, now I will multiply 2 root 13 with 7, 14 root 13. 2 root 13 with root 13, so 26. Minus 5 times 7, minus 35. Minus 5 root 13 over 7 square minus 13. 49 minus 13 is 36. Now we can cancel 36. It will be 18 here. Now if I will write 14 root 13 minus 5 root 13. So it is 9 root 13. 26 minus 35. So minus 9 over 18. Or we can write 9 is common. Root 13 minus 1 over 18. Now we can cancel 18 with 9. It will be 2 in the denominator. So our final answer becomes expression 6th root will be root 13 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next video, bye bye and take care of yourself.